Hello learners, this is Khushbu Agarwal. Welcome to KCC Learners Point. Today we are going to learn another topic of national income, that is transfer income and factor income. This is the important topic of national income because when we learn national income numericals, then we will consider these points very carefully. So let's start and let's see what is this income, what is transfer income and what is factor income. So learners, ट्रांसफ़र इनकम जो होती है आपकी, ट्रांसफ़र इनकम आपकी नेशनल इनकम में काउंट नहीं होती, जस्ट बिकॉज इस इनकम में आपकी टू साइडेड ट्रांजेक्शन्स नहीं होती. टू साइडेड इट मीन्स बायलैटरल ट्रांजेक्शन्स ना होकर दे आर ओनली डू फॉर ओनली सोशल वेलफेयर. इट मीन्स दे आर यूनिलेटरल ट्रांजेक्शन. यूनिलेटरल ट्रांजेक्शन or we can say that one-sided transaction. So guys, transfer income is only for social welfare, not for economic purpose. For example, charity, donation, scholarships, pension and etc. So transfer income is not a part of national income. You can write here example, right? Charity, donation, scholarship, old age pension, etc. And it is not considered in calculation of national income. So learners, transfer income is further divided into two parts, that is current transfers and capital transfers. So here is transfer income. In summarize, we can say that transfer incomes are those incomes which are only for social services, not for economic welfare. So we are not getting anything, we are only giving something, we are not getting in return something, so that's why they are known as transfer income. So guys, another topic is factor income. This is foremost topic of national income. Factor income, if you remember that we learned in circular flow of income, factor incomes, they are the wages, rent, interest and profit. So wages we get when we do labor, and rent we receive then we give lend for another person, and interest we get in return of capital, and profit we get in return of enterprises. So these all are the part of factor income just because they are getting for providing or rendering the services. So guys, wages, rent, interest and profit are the part of factor income. So here we can see that unilateral transactions, and here we can say that they are bilateral transaction. Bilateral transaction, or we can say that two-sided transaction. Two-sided transactions. Example, you can write that wages, rent, interest and profit, and it is not considered in national calculation of national income, but it is considered, factor income is considered in calculation of national income. So guys, factor income and transfer income. Let's summarize it. Factor incomes are unilateral transactions and गलत हो गया शायद. Transfer incomes are unilateral transactions and factor incomes.
वापस से बोलो जो बोल रही थी ना ट्रांसफर इनकम कट हो जाएगा.
Okay, let's summarize it. So, transfer incomes is unilateral transactions and factor incomes is bilateral transactions. Next, it is one-sided and it is two-sided. It is not considered in calculation of national income, but it is considered in the calculation of national income. So guys, you can say that it is not rendering for, it is not rendering for provide services. As like it is provided, it is provided for rendering services. So, transfer income is just a part of national income, but factor income is the important part of national income. So, while calculating national income, we will include only factor income. So, I hope guys that your concept of transfer income and factor income is clear. And one more thing I want to say that factor income is also considered as a factor payment. Why? Because if it is received by the consumer, then it will consider as a factor income, but it is paid by the producer to the consumer, it is known as factor payment. So I hope you will learn this topic, transfer income and factor income, and if you have any doubts about this, you can comment in my comment box. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest video of my channel. So keep learning.